Hi, this is Pixel Pause, and welcome to my fourth LoRA Manager update vlog. Since the last video, we've made quite a few exciting updates, so let's dive in and take a look. First up, LoRA Manager now supports checkpoint management. Just like with LoRA models, you can now easily browse, search, download, and organize your checkpoints. This includes complete support for metadata and previews. You can search through your checkpoints by file name, model name, or tags. Plus, you can filter them by base model, folder tags, or the most commonly used tags fetched from the metadata. Downloading a checkpoint works just the same way as downloading a LoRA. Simply copy the model URL into the download URL input, and you'll see all available versions and whether they're already in your library. Metadata gets fetched automatically, so it's ready to use right away. And yes, you can edit everything: the model name, file name, base model, and even add personal notes for future reference. We've also added a new favorite system, allowing you to bookmark your favorite LoRAs and checkpoints for quick access and better organization. Now let's talk about standalone mode. For users who just want to browse, organize, or download models without launching the entire ComfyUI environment, this is going to be a good news for you. LoRA Manager now can run independently from ComfyUI. It's lightweight, fast, and even works for users who prefer other stable diffusion interfaces like Forge. For ComfyUI users, just launch ComfyUI with LoRA Manager once to initialize your settings, then run the standalone command from your ComfyUI root directory or LoRA Manager root directory. For non-ComfyUI users, simply copy the example settings file, add your model paths and Civitai API key, and you're good to go. This opens up features like recipes to users of other interfaces who couldn't access them before. Speaking of recipes, they've received several improvements. You can now edit the title and tags. Just hover over these areas in the recipe details and click the pencil icon. If you're missing LoRAs in a recipe, simply click the Missing LoRAs link to download them. We've also added a way to reconnect deleted LoRAs. Sometimes when importing a recipe, you'll find LoRAs that aren't available anymore. Though these deleted LoRAs remain in the recipe, they won't be included when copying the recipe syntax. Now you can reconnect them with your local model files by clicking the deleted badge, pasting the file name or LoRA syntax, and confirming. Want to check all LoRAs in a recipe? Just click View All LoRAs in this recipe to see them listed. Similarly, we've added a Recipes tab to the LoRA detail modal, so you can easily find all recipes using a particular LoRA. Our nodes have gotten some love too. The TriggerWord Toggle node now instantly updates when connected LoRA loader or stacker nodes change. No more running and canceling the workflow just to tweak trigger words. LoRA loader and stacker nodes now support intuitive drag-based strength adjustments, making fine-tuning much easier. One of our biggest updates is the complete overhaul of the Metadata Collector module. Previously, I tried collecting metadata by parsing workflows, but this approach had serious limitations with complex workflows and numerous existing custom nodes. The new system hooks directly into ComfyUI's execution, gathering real-time input and output from key nodes during the run. This means accurate metadata collection even for complex workflows. Thanks to it, the Save Recipe feature no longer needs a preview image node in the workflow and can now accurately capture all generation parameters. Our Save Image node has been enhanced too, supporting PNG, JPEG, and WebP formats. I personally recommend WebP with lossy compression for its storage and time efficiency. Images saved this way can be uploaded to Civitai with all generation parameters and resources: prompts, seed, steps, checkpoints, LoRAs, and their strength values fully recognized. Currently, the metadata collector supports key nodes like the various sampling nodes, K-Sampler, K-Sampler Advanced, Sampler Custom Advanced, and loader nodes including Load Checkpoint, Load Diffusion Model, and our LoRA Loader. If you need support for other nodes, please submit a feature request on GitHub. Looking ahead, I've got two exciting features planned. First, sidebar integration into ComfyUI for a seamless experience where you won't need to switch between browser tabs. Second, I'm also exploring support for additional model hubs beyond just Civitai. However, One challenge is that platforms like TensorArt don't offer comprehensive APIs for model queries or metadata retrieval, and many models there aren't available for download either. To solve this, I'm considering implementing a P2P model sharing network. This means that instead of relying only on centralized sites like Civitai, users can share and download models directly from each other, making it easier to access models that might have been removed or are unavailable elsewhere. It would work like a community-powered network, where everyone contributes and benefits from shared resources. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments. That's all for today's update. Thank you for watching. If you like LoRA Manager and this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share so others can find it too. See you next time.